What is up, my friend? My name is Donnie Baker. I'm with LPR Sound Foundation. Today I've got something really cool. I did a shootout between Universal Audio 1176. It's actually a 21176, but it's the same circuit, same wiring, everything, just there's two of them in one case. Did a shootout between the 1176 and original. It's probably 23 years old, and a software version of the same thing, the same unit, the Legacy UAD plug-in version of it, and the new I got a new Klark Teknik 76 KT, which is a model of the original 1176. So I did a shootout. Let's go listen to it. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. I'm going to be using the UAD 1176 Legacy limiting amp, okay, the plug-in version. I've also got an original 1176 from, I bought it in 2002. It's a 21176, which is the same thing. It's just that there's two of them in one case. It's the same wiring, the same circuits. Everything's the same. The knobs are a little different, as you'll see in the example here. And then we're going to use then we're going to plug in the Klark Teknik 76 KT. Now we're going to listen to each example, and I've tried to set. Here's how I've set it. You see I have a meter on the screen. I've tried to set all the inputs and outputs so that they all meter the same, so that we can tell a complete difference between the plug-in, the 21176, and the 76 KT. Now they're not set the same. It took a little bit of work in it to get them all to meter the same, and they sound very similar. But let's go take a listen, shall we? I'm gonna do the plug-in version first. So let's take a listen. So you see that it's metering about -7 decibels. It's pulling about 7 decibels out. Yes, this is an electric guitar part. That's what we're going to be using for our example today. So I'm going to mute this, and now I'm going to go plug in the 21176. I've got it inserted into Pro Tools. I'm going to use insert number 16, and let's take a listen to that. Okay, so that was the 21176 by Universal Audio, and the settings are very similar on that one between the plugins. So the plugin's actually really well done. Let's go take a listen to the 76 KT by Klark Teknik. Okay, and that's going to be insert 15. So let's go take a listen to this one. So quite happy with that. Let's put this on a kick drum, shall we? Here's the plug-in version. Okay, so that was a kick drum on the plug-in version of the 1176. Let's go listen to, we'll bypass this, let's go listen to the original 21176. Yeah, I kind of like that one the best so far. I do like the original 21176 above the plug-in version. Now let's go take a listen to the 76 KT. So that was the 76 KT. That one's not as tight as the original 21176 and not as tight as the plug-in version. So there is our examples for the day, and I think we have a winner in the original 21176, and then next would be the plug-in version, and then next third would be the 76 KT. Although for the price, the 76 KT is well worth the money. If you don't have a outboard compressor and you're looking for something that's really cool, yet not exactly the price of an 1176, but very close in tone, very close in how it feels, very close in how it sounds. I mean, it does sound great. Yesterday I recorded some guitars through the 76 KT, and I was quite impressed with the result that I got by recording into and through. So I'm impressed with the price, I'm impressed with the quality, I'm impressed with the build. I would say if you're looking for a hardware compressor, this is a great one to get. It's a great starter model until you can make enough money to buy a real 1176. Hey, hopefully you heard what I heard in the studio. That I don't know if that comes across if you're listening on your phone or listening to it on laptop speakers, but it was a pretty cool shootout. The guitar part of it was really well done. The kick drum, I noticed a difference in the kick drum. But the guitar part, I was really happy with the 76 KT. I mean, dude, for the price, you can't go wrong with that unit. If you're looking to get some hardware units for your studio, these are great. Call your favorite Sweetwater guy, hook it up, go get it. Literally, they're $149 right now. You can't go wrong with these things. They look great in the rack. When you're putting the tape on there and you're marking it up, because you got to mark it up. Clients really like that stuff. So hey, I got something else I want to share with you. We have finally updated the audio business growth guide for 2025. LearnProRecording.com/studio growth formula. Same thing. If you've gotten the old one, don't worry about getting put on the list again and getting all the emails and stuff like that. It won't happen. You'll just get access to download the new growth guide. It's a 28-page ebook. We've expanded on it. We've added a bunch of stuff to it that's important, such as insurance for your business as an audio engineer, music producer, and studio owner. So there's a lot going on in there. Please download it. I'll give it to you one more time. LearnProRecording.com/studio growth formula. Hey, hopefully you guys are enjoying these gear review blog post Wednesdays. Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, please hit that subscribe button, man. Let's build this channel up. Get it to where YouTube might start pushing this algorithm out a little bit, man, because we're doing some cool stuff. We got some really cool stuff going on. So I will see you guys, I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday, where we do the tech stuff. And I don't know what's coming up this week because I haven't done it yet, but we'll talk about it. And I'll see you Friday Live. Don't forget about the Friday Lives, man. Once you get on my list, if you're on my list, you get the emails going, hey, don't forget about Friday Live. Friday Lives are fun, man. We hang out and we just talk about studio stuff. Sometimes gets off on a tangent and, talking about personal stuff, whatever. It happens, because it's live, man. It's live, so don't worry about it. But Friday Live is fun, and, of course, Mondays is talking about businessy stuff. So if I don't see you on the live, have a great weekend. We'll see you next time. Donnie B, I'm out.